Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create timeline actions to subscribe to automations, remove from automations, and delete subscriber using your Ontraport integration. Please log in to your AEvent account. Once logged in, please open your timeline. From this page, click on Create Action. We'll have to set when we want our action to get triggered. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be setting the time to 1 minute after the webinar has started. I'll be selecting attendees as targets for this action. Let's select Ontraport from this list. Then, let's select Subscribe to Automations as our desired action. Let's select the automation we intend to add attendees to. Click on Create. We have successfully added the Subscribe to Automations action to our timeline. Now, let's create the action to remove from automations. Like before, click on Create Action. This time, let's set it to 10 minutes after the webinar has started. Let's select non-attendees. Again, let's select Ontraport. Then select Remove from Automations. Let's select the automation we want non-attendees to be removed from. Then click on Create. Perfect. Lastly, let's create the action to delete subscriber. Again, let's click on Create Action. For this action, let's set it to 1 hour after the webinar has started. Let's select non-attendees again. Let's select Ontraport, then select Delete Subscriber. Click on Create. We have successfully created 3 timeline actions with Ontraport. That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.